tomorrow. What a great time to learn about sustainable products for in and around our home. And here with some earth-friendly ideas is our friend, home improvement and lifestyle expert, Kathryn Emery. So great to have you back. Okay, so where do we start?
All right, let's start with saving water because that is such a valuable resource. So I don't know about you, but do you walk around your neighborhood and see sprinklers going off during the rain? It just drives me crazy, right?
Yes.
So install a smart sprinkler controller. And I love this one by Ratio because not only is it going to keep things green for you, you can control it remotely. It's also going to help you save money on your utility bills. So it waters the right amount for your yard. It's super easy to install. It goes right onto your existing irrigation system, 8-zone or 16-zone. It waters the right amount, like I said. So they have a proprietary watering algorithm. It uses climate data, soil temperature, and root depth data to assess soil moisture and save water. So what that means to me and you, Ratio's doing it all for me, right? And I love it because it changes the season because I know it gets super hot there in Phoenix. So it'll automatically adjust, give your plants extra water. When it's raining, it'll stop. So check that out. Just a great way to save water and save money. So now, did you know that by adding a shade structure outside that's actually pointing to your house, you can keep your energy bills down as well?
Yes.
Isn't that amazing?
That is huge savings.
Right? So Coolaroo, stay cool, save money. So I love it. They've got these really cool sail shades. So these are semi-permanent, permanent, or even portable. You can take it with you. Here's the secret. They've got this HDPE fabric. What that means is this is breathable fabric. It's mold, moisture, and stain resistant. It's going to block those UV rays. So it's going to keep things cool, but it's breathable. So you're not going to be baking under these beautiful sail shades that you can see here. Different shapes, different sides, color, whimsical. They also have these grow bags. So I don't know about you, but I have a brown thumb. I don't know how much to water. I don't know, right? So this lets the water get through. So they've just got amazing products. Go to coolaroo.com, check it out. Gazebos, umbrellas, window coverings, and more. So, hey, let's keep up with the Joneses, right? We want to keep our lawn green. I got Dylan out here mowing. Go, Dylan, go. Self-propelled mowers, so easy. So this also reduces, there's no emissions going out into the air. So this is Green Machine. These lithium ion battery powered outdoor equipment, they're just so amazing. There's so many amazing features. This one has a steel deck, 6 positions you can easily adjust through, 45-minute runtime. You saw Dylan with the push propel. It's so self-propelled, so easy. Once you get into that battery platform, Susan, I love it though, because you can click it in and out of multiple different things. And it's just it makes it so easy to get the yard work done without those emissions, without those fumes. So you're keeping the yard green and you're staying green. And these are exclusively at homedepot.com. Check it out. Now, let's talk about not relying on the grid and taking power into our own hands. Do you have a generator at your house?
Yes, I do.
So you know how essential it is to have one. But make it solar because, again, you're not relying on gas, no emissions. So this is Generarc. This, in 8 hours, it comes with 2 solar panels. Those solar panels will soak up the sun in 8 hours and last you 7 days. Isn't that amazing? So heaven forbid the power goes out or you just want to plug it in and save a little energy. Don't rely on the grid. It's super easy to move around. So Generarc, I just love it. I mean, hey, my solar power generator and I have 2 things in common. We get powered by the sun, but I love it. You can plug in your major appliances. You can also plug it into your wall or your car as well, but why not harness the power of the sun? And then last but not least, I mean, look, let's go old fashioned. You need a broom, okay? Don't water the sidewalk. Don't do that. So this is Quickie 2-in-1. It's a squeegee on one side, and it's a really durable broom on the outside. And right here, there's thick bristles, thin bristles. It just gets it all done. Keep it simple, right? Have a really great broom on hand. Walk into Home Depot and pick this up. But just so many things you can do around the home. Little things for Earth Day. You can make a difference, and you really should with just one or all of these simple updates.
That's right. Go green, not only today, but every day. Thank you so much, Kathryn. We appreciate you. And if you'd like more information, please visit Kathryn's website.